Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your customers are seeing a card declined message at the checkout, that can seriously hurt your sales. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to exactly fix the card declined issue in Shopify in the 2026 version. So let's get started. Number 1. Open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and go all the way to Shopify.com. Check the payment gateway status after fully logging in using your email address and password. Look in the settings or the gear icon for any payment settings that I will show you here by tapping on the settings, then all the way to payments. Make sure your payment provider is active. If it's PayPal, then make sure it's activated. If it's Shopify payments, PayPal, Stripe, Google Pay, whatever you are using. Check for any warnings or restrictions as well. Check the store currency settings. Make sure your store currency matches your payment gateway supported currency. You can also review fraud analysis settings. Overly strict fraud filters can also decline valid cards. Test with a different card also. Use your own card, your friend's card, or whatever to try and give it a small test. Alternate payment method. Disable any recently installed app. Let's go all the way to apps. I will show you exactly on how to do so. So here we are in the app section. Tap on apps, and sales channel settings, 3-dot menu, and then install. You can also ask customers to contact their bank. Sometimes the bank blocks international or online transaction. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.